Unlock the power of vitamin C superfoods, bell peppers, guava, and kiwi. These nutritional giants are more than just tasty. They're packed with vitamin C and other nutrients that boost your health in surprising ways. Let's start with bell peppers. Did you know that a single red bell pepper contains more vitamin C than an orange? Bell peppers are also rich in antioxidants and fiber, which support heart health and improve digestion. Try adding them to your salads, stir-fries, or even eating them raw for a crisp, healthy snack. Next up, guava. This tropical fruit isn't just delicious, it's a true vitamin C powerhouse. One guava provides more than twice your daily vitamin C needs. It's also high in fiber and antioxidants, promoting a healthy gut and strong immune system. Add guava to smoothies or fruit salads, or enjoy it on its own for a refreshing boost. And finally, kiwi. Don't underestimate this small but mighty fruit. Kiwi is loaded with vitamin C, fiber, and potassium, all of which support digestion, skin health, and heart function. Slice it up for a snack, add it to a smoothie, or top your yogurt for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Including these superfoods in your diet is simple and rewarding. They not only boost your immune system, but also improve your skin, enhance digestion, and support overall well-being. Ready to take action? Start by adding one of these superfoods to your meals today. Share your favorite recipes in the comments below, and let us know how you're incorporating these powerhouse fruits and veggies into your diet. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on superfoods and healthy living. Let's make health a priority together.